Every creator right now is trying to work faster, more videos, better thumbnails, higher retention, more views. But here's the problem. Most creators spend hours doing things that honestly shouldn't take that long anymore. Brainstorming, research, writing scripts, fixing titles, making thumbnails. So when Google launched Gemini Omni, people started saying this AI could literally replace an entire creator workflow. And honestly, I didn't believe the hype. So today, I'm testing Gemini Omni to create an entire YouTube video from scratch. Ideas, scripts, research, titles, even thumbnails, all using one AI tool. And halfway through testing this, I genuinely had a moment where I thought, wait, creators are not ready for this. If you've ever tried making YouTube videos consistently, you already know the hardest part usually isn't editing. It's everything before editing. You sit down to make a video, and suddenly 2 hours disappear trying to think of a good idea, a clickable title, a script, or even how to start the intro. And honestly, that's why most people quit YouTube. Not because they're lazy, because the process feels overwhelming. And this is exactly why AI tools are exploding right now. Because creators want speed, they want leverage, they want results faster. So I opened Gemini Omni to see if it could actually help. First, I tested video ideas, and I gave Gemini Omni this prompt. Give me 15 viral YouTube video ideas for AI creators. Now honestly, I expected generic AI garbage, but some of these ideas were actually good, like genuinely clickable. Things like AI tools that feel illegal to use, or I let AI run my YouTube channel for 24 hours. And instantly, my brain started connecting ideas. That's when I realized something important. Good creators don't just need information, they need momentum. And Gemini Omni feels really good at creating momentum, because when you see interesting ideas, your brain immediately wants to create. But then came the real test, script writing. Because honestly, most AI scripts sound terrible. You know exactly what I mean. They sound robotic, too formal, no emotion, no pacing. So I told Gemini Omni, write a high-retention YouTube script for creators. And honestly, the results surprised me way more than I expected. The script actually had hooks, transitions, pacing, curiosity, and emotional flow. It genuinely felt more like a real creator talking, not some boring school essay. But then I pushed it even further. I asked it to improve retention, make the intro more addictive, shorten boring sections, and add stronger hooks. And that's where this got crazy, because suddenly the script started sounding like modern YouTube content. Fast, punchy, engaging. The kind of content Gen Z actually watches. And honestly, that's scary, because creators used to spend years learning storytelling. Now AI is starting to understand it too. Next, I tested titles and thumbnails. And this is where YouTube becomes brutal, because sometimes a great video dies just because nobody clicks it. So I asked Gemini Omni, give me high CTR YouTube titles for an AI video. And some of these were honestly insanely clickable. Things like, this AI tool replaces my entire workflow, or Google just changed content creation forever. Simple, but curiosity driven. Then I tested thumbnail ideas. And this part genuinely shocked me, because the AI actually understood emotion, contrast, curiosity, and viewer psychology. It started suggesting reaction faces, bold text, glowing UI, before vers after concepts, and simplified thumbnail layouts. And honestly, that's when this stopped feeling like a chatbot. It started feeling like a creator assistant. But then I found the feature that honestly changes everything. Research. Now this might sound boring at first, but trust me, this is the reason creators waste insane amounts of time researching topics, reading articles, watching videos, organizing information. So I pasted a huge article into Gemini Omni, and within seconds, it summarized everything cleanly, clearly, instantly. But then I took it further. I asked it to turn research into scripts, simplify complicated information, create shorts ideas, and extract only the most interesting parts. And honestly, this is the moment where it hit me. We're entering a completely different era of content creation, because creators with AI will move way faster than creators without it. So, is Gemini Omni perfect? No! But honestly, this tool is way more powerful than I expected, especially for creators, faceless channels, freelancers, and people trying to grow faster online. And the craziest part, AI tools are still just getting started, which means content creation over the next few years is probably going to change completely. So if you're a creator watching this right now, learning AI might genuinely become one of the biggest advantages you can have. And honestly, that future feels way closer than people realize. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI tools, creator hacks, and growth content. And I'll see you in the next one.